It's a great day at Mills Motors, 240 Bond Street East in Oshawa. Let's check out the 2011 GMC Sierra 1500 Nevada Edition. You got a 4.8 liter engine, four-wheel drive, extended cab, chrome front bumper there, and you also have the chrome assist steps door to door. All cloth upholstery, 40-20-40 split bench seat. You got your lighting options here, power windows throughout. Plenty to see, so let's climb on in and start taking a look around. All right, on the inside here, you have your cruise control options on the left, headlights and turn signals, and the intermittent wipers. And you have the gear shift over here on the right-hand side. Your hazards, AM/FM capacity. You also have built-in CD player. You can scroll through tracks here. You can plug in auxiliary as well, so you've got those MP3 players, iPods, you got the phones. Even though this truck's got a few years on it, you can still keep up to date with your music and podcasts. Temperature controls and fan speed operators. And you also have a 12-volt power here as well. So you can get that little accessory, and you can, of course, use it via USB when you do so. And your four-wheel drive select located here on the floor. Full down armrest with cup holders here. You got some storage space as well. And OnStar services are available to you there just above the rear view mirror. And you also have overhead lighting here on both sides. Got the hookups there for trailer and hitch. The Sierra badging in the left-hand side. Flex fuel capacity. And you also have a locking tailgate. Got the liner here to protect that truck against scratching and denting. And pretty easy to handle tailgate there. It's back in position. Using one hand on the camera here the entire time. Very easily done. Very wide entryway here with the extended cab. All you need to do is open up that front door. You got the handle here so you can pop that door open on its own. Cloth upholstery continues back here. Tinted glass. You got the overhead lighting. And beneath, you got the strap here. You can just pull that forward and you can get that bench seat to pop up. And then there's plenty of leg room, plenty of storage space there. And again, I'm doing this with one hand, so it's a back in position again. Very easily done. And closing up the extended cab, I'm just gonna pop those doors together there. And just to demonstrate how you would get in and out, open that door and pop that open for yourselves as well. And there's a better look at those 17-inch chrome aluminum wheels. Chrome front bumper. And you got the front tow hooks there. And that's going to complete your look around the 2011 Sierra four-wheel drive Nevada Edition. If you want to see this one in person, you can do so at Mills Motors, 240 Bond Street East in Oshawa, where we always do whatever it takes.